It's urban racing. This is Autofest Dallas. We got the media people. We're gonna cover it. We're gonna be here all day. Let's cover it. Let's see what's up. This dude over here fully steady. I'm handheld, so I'm shaky. I'll have to fix it in post. You can have the steady shots. So I'm shaky. They're handheld. People are rolling in. Mine is out here. They're getting set up. Divine. We'll check in with them later. Alright. I don't know if I'll be able to get everything, but I'll try and cover the event itself. Try and get some coverage of the event itself, roughly. Just give you guys an idea. We know this vehicle here. That's the jukebox over there. We'll go see it. We'll cover that over there. RTR's badged on the back. So, Dynamic Auto Works, FS Wheels, represent over here. Society. It's a Roush. Convertible. Very dramatic with the wrap there. Unlimited is out here. You can see they're getting set up. They're unlimited. Porsche rolling through. Get it on the back. 718. Rolling slow. She's getting the car clean over here. She's got a variety of products. Everybody's here today. Everybody's out here. We're gonna try and cover it all. So here's kind of a cheat. I'm just gonna run down this row and we'll just kind of hit each one of these. I want to represent who's out here today. If you're new to the channel, you gotta be sure and subscribe. Hit that like button because you're watching the video. Just give it a like. And if I spin around, we've got these, and they've got their banner, their whole crew is out here. That's a Toyota, this is a Nissan over here, and another Toyota. So, finishing it off with the Mustang for this row. And here's their booth. They'll be selling their merch. They've got merch over here. Decals. These guys have been coming out. They've been hitting it hard. There's the other row over there. Got the Subies. That's a row of Subies over there. So, here's another row. What's up? What's up?
You got the gang sign. Not playing.
That's right. That's right. Here's another row over here. He just set the hood. And it's too windy. It's just too windy. It's just too windy out here. It's a so we could just sit here, really? I mean, we can, zoom in, but essentially we can just kind of sit here. This thing is completely crazy. And they also brought this. So Motec is bringing their stuff out today. Motec Euroworks. The GT in the background. Here's the, what is it? It's a 765 LT is what it is. Get that one from the front. And we'll swing around and get the GT. And here's Kraken Motorsports. We're going to deal with them later. We're talking to them about stuff. And we'll keep moving. We'll get this over here from the back. We'll get that. GT's still in the background. Come over here. Over here. That's a little better. The STI. Midnight Madness is making some modifications. Doing some stuff with the plates over here. Got the Fast and Furious Supra. Autoworks has got their Supra out here. There's a Lambo back there. Another Supra. Another Supra. Okay, we got a roller. We got a roller on the 765. He's gonna get parked over here. Oh, they're gonna put him over here. There he is. Cutec Dallas. Cutec Works. Let's chase him. Let's get on the other side, actually. These guys are chasing him. Just go over here. Do that. Got that exclusive. Next, another Cutec. Get him put in there. So a surprise to me is that some people from Fitment Industries came out to the event. I knew it was big. I knew it was going to be a thing, but I didn't know we were Fitment Industries attention big. They've got some wheels out here. They've got a booth. They've got some merch.
And then, hey guys, this is Anna with Fitment Industries. We're out here visiting Clean Culture Dallas. We're all the way back from Wisconsin, so super cool to be out here. We specialize in wheels, tires, suspension. We're all about skipping the tire shop, so you can package your wheels and tires with us, get them mounted, balanced, and shipped straight to your door, lower 48 states for free. So it's the best thing you can do as a car enthusiast is not have to go to the tire shop with us.
This is where we're standing. I think this is a 240. I know I got a shadow in this, but is what it is. Well, this is definitely a 240 because it says 240 right here.
Can you get to like the
I've probably seen it before. Well, now I'll know.
Okay. Do you see where the cars are getting checked in right here?
I'm gonna have to. Well, this is the shot that the camera gave me, so I'm taking it. I'll try and cover the entire parking lot in the time that I have with the cameras and batteries I have. And I do mean absolutely everything here in the parking lot. So I'm just gonna hit the entire parking lot. Old Sally. If you're watching the channel, be sure and subscribe. Hit the like button. The goal is to basically hit everything at least for a few seconds so you can see not just the show cars, but what came out, what people are driving. Just an idea of what could be seen either in the spectator or the pits. This has got some nice quad pipes and a tow hook in the form of a little band hanging off of it. And something else just rolled up. What do we have?
Trying to get that money shot?
I'm just gonna get all the shots. This is a nice piece right here. 90s? Late 90s, or is this in the 2000s?
I'm not sure.
I think it's
Would this be a 90s, a late 90s maybe?
very late 90s, yeah, close to early 2000s.
Oh, let's see if we can get rollers on them. So we have the 1985 Ram. Owner brought it out. Said it's got good bones. If you're a fan of the 85, if the 85 is a model that you get a kick out of, there's your 85 Dodge Prospector. And over here, we have a car very similar to the car that is owned by our good friend Sheila, and we have something very special coming up for her this season. We're going to donate a chute to her, and it's going to have some guests on the chute. Now, I'm not making any promises right now. This.
Yeah, I think they do the whole admission though.
Jeez. I'm gonna say it's a Miata. I know there's other models that look like this, but it just looks like a Miata to me. Of course, it's debadged. I hear it's classic auto on them. It is a Miata. I see it now. I see the Miata badging. I just heard a drone go up. I have a drone. I can launch my drone later. There's a long day. It is windy though, so no promises. And I have a big parking lot. We have a Z. These like stock wheels. We have rollers in the background on the trailer that has the. I don't have it. I don't know. And a roller on the. I used to say Expedition, or I don't know, Tahoe. This thing is sitting here, chilling. This is the parking lot we're in. We're in the parking lot where stuff like this is just sitting here. It's about the best shot I can think of, which is just a simple coverage shot. There goes the drone. He's dipping and flying around where the cars are over here. I can zoom in, you can probably see him better on the screen. See if I can get him. Where'd he go? Alright, well. The party's going on next to us, we're gonna go see it. This says "So Are the Pains." Looks like it's seen better days, but you know what? It's here, it's running. It has some wheels on it. It is a proper side drive. There goes the passenger getting in the left side. As I like to call it, correct side drive. It's very nice. Oh, we have someone else. There's somebody else coming up behind. Oh, the two cars that were allowed to park alone. We had to come get our vest on and get our helmet. Oh boy. Well, let's not just completely overlook this whole. There's stuff over here, so let's not ignore it. But there's a car that's running. I doubt if it's that one. I know this lady. I think what's running is the Corvette. I just didn't want to. I didn't want to just completely. But if it's this, no, it's the Corvette. Anyway. Isn't that a Firebird or a Trans Am hood? I've never seen this. It looks like it came off a Camaro. Camaro did that. I'm confused. Well, there's Instagram for the car. You want to follow the car or the person. Each way. It was the Corvette that was running. Let's get the exhaust. Let's just point it at the ground. Out the license plate at the ground. Just here for the... That's good, thank you. Alright. There's that over there. Well, let's go this way. Let's get to the show. We'll get some food. Set up camp. Okay, this is the front row of the Spectator, and it looks like people have kind of taken this as the back row of the show area, because these are all, I would consider all these pretty rare. This is not bad either. I mean, there's some stuff here if you're a fan. Yes. There's an X3. Yes. I like the Honda. There's someone in it. Let's keep moving. But this. So we have I should have asked him what year. You know that it's an 8.3. It's the wagon, which I'm really digging. It's very good. I'm also digging the Corvette and this Firebird over here is tripping me out. 87, maybe 88. I want to say they changed in 88. 88 or 89 they changed the Firebird, and we have a nice. Some people like to see vehicles from the back, so I try and get you. There it is. It's called a Segway, and this is called Really Good Luck. To be able to just pull in to a parking spot. This person has the best luck. They need to go play the lottery right now. We are in the show parking lot. It is, call it 3 o'clock. We're gonna call this 3 o'clock. It's all of. And what we're doing is we're sitting in the show part. There's Divine. sitting in the show parking lot. We have Rao over here occupying this area. There's a yellow, I need to go talk to the owner of the Z over here. Oh, if we spin even more, sorry, there is a 765 LT McLaren, and then there's a what appears to be a 2020, I'd assume is a 2020, could be the 2021 GT, I'm assuming it's 2020. This is it, right? He's just chilling. He is in the parking lot, and he's running. So, again, let's just walk around this parking lot. We have this thing back here, which got some comments when it came in from, I believe it was from the Divine. It's an Infiniti. I'm not perfect with Infinitis. There's a Toyota on the other side. So Diverse is representing out here, and we'll just give them the row. Cartooners, thick.kia, thick.kia, Lexus Society, another Diverse. This is a, I don't know, they've got me thrown off. See if we can figure out what this is. I'm gonna go around the back. Oh, there it is. It's a B2K. Another member of Diverse. Well, you stumped me. I didn't know. I didn't know what this was. Oh, look what's that. This parking lot just goes on forever, and it's beautiful. I think I'm already following, but there they are. And we'll go ahead and do this. We'll just give them the whole. That's pretty in focus. So I have this idea that I could do, which is try to avoid usual suspects. Just try and focus more on the cars that I've never seen before. Kind of follow that line of thought. See if I can get more. I need to get over there. He's gonna run out of tires. I'm getting tired of carrying this stupid thing around. But this place has got a lot of cars.
Race car drivers got the they're very I'm like,
We got many vendors out here. So very generous of you to let someone. But the idea is to.
Yeah. This is nice. I got it fixed.
Oh no, I would never do that.
I think he's the one who did my air ride in the garage. Huh? He did the air ride in the garage.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. We got drunk and said we could do this.
Mama taught me to be alone.
shooting into the sun just because that's what it is. There goes that. Anyway, the Beamer. This is the back of the, well, it's the front of the spectator parking, but it's turned into the back of the car show because there's even some, like, there's some cars that would probably win awards if they had entered into this, but have decided to attend and just make a row of cars that has a place. You spend $200 on a detail on some of these cars, and they're going to take awards away from people that are sitting in there, or the judges are going to have something to think about. Even the simple is still really well done. And even the Rogue, it's not. My wife loves the Kia. That's an Acura, I believe. It's an M4. Inferior. I need to find my car. Oh, look. It's right here. This is a nice Jeep, too. It's a very nice Jeep. Of course, you have this. There's what looks like a. I'll check here in a second. I'm going to drop this off. So I'm gonna hit it. We have, well, I don't have a badge. I'll look around. I think it's debadged. I see this, but if it doesn't go anywhere, it's clean. It's super clean. So I gave it its due. Try and bring the spectator lot in. So the segment is called Spectator Lot. That's all the cars that did not come in today. They're here. These vehicles are present, but they're not. That's way too bright. I know it's super shaky, but I'm gonna try and steady it with the editor. And this is usual suspects, which I should figure being in a parking lot. I don't know if I didn't get this earlier, but yeah, I think it's good. This GTI is nice right here. Here's your SI. Very well. I don't know. Texoma _ lifestyle came out today, so there they are. There it sits. We have an Infinity over here. There's some cars back here, and here's the front row again, and then we have things like this. Really, really well done. This super original and done so well. Done in such a clean way. Let's show the people. This hood is done so well.
That was a good run.
So what we're doing here is we're just walking in this parking lot because it's what's going on here is just what's sitting here. This is about as fast and furious reflection as I can think of. Especially when you have my boy David flying Hawaiian on Instagram. He's works at Fortune Wraps, so shout out to Fortune Wraps, who support their local veteran, our friend David. And I don't know, there he is. Oh, he's just, well, I have the shot is here, so. He's back there. He's back there. Nope, they're not here.
Oh, some of their people, just not there.
Oh, there's probably Careless stickers and shirts and stuff all over.
Holding it like this just to get it stable a little bit.
Yeah.
This is gonna be my closing footage. I'm swerving out, man. Yo, the iPhone 14 camera is actually like, bro, it's very good.
Oh, I know.
I'm like, whoa.
I know.
I had the 13, it wasn't this good, man.
Well, I can tell you why.
Why?
Because they've increased the megapixels.
Dude, because I'm like,
So,
this is amazing, bro. I'm
well,
zooming in, and I'm
no, I know. Okay, so
like, bro, this is amazing.
yeah,
I don't want to use my GoPro.
well, you can put it in an editor and it'll lock it down even more.
Oh, man.
Use CapCut.
No, I use iMovie still.
Well, okay, I mean,
new, man.
will it
You're
stabilize?
Yeah.
Well, then use that.
Oh, that's the one.
Where's that? Just
Got monetized yet?
no. I am on the road to 1K.
Yeah, we're on the road, bro. I'm at, I think 198 or something.
100.
2 months in.
Oh, yeah.
TikTok is amazing. People love cars, man. You'll get to 1K in no time.
Thank you.
Oh shit, that's it. Sorry. Video my car? Where you at?
that's in the Beamer right now, going sideways, bringing it around, bringing the other side around. Here we go, here we go, here we go. He's still in it, still in it, still in it.
Oh, yeah.
And what's he gonna do with the rest of
Oh,
it?
he nice.
Oh, look, he's got the other side now. There he goes, there he goes. And holding on to it. Okay, we're switching it up. I don't know how many turns is he done?
Yeah,
he ain't done. He's not done. He's not done. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna try and get this. Okay. I want to make sure that I'm there when my buddy goes out. Okay. Where are you at? There you are. Got him. Got him. There's a car going around now. Alright, where'd he go? Let's find him. There we go. All right, buddy. Where'd he go? I lost him. Oh, is that him over there? I lost him. Get this. Scrap this audio.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I should go over and say hello. I need to. So I'm just gonna hope that I can. I'm gonna hope that I can. Well, for one, catch up with him. I don't know. What is this? Oh, this is the Losers Lovers booth. Where's Steve going? I'm just chasing Steve right now. That's all I'm doing.
So we're chasing Steve.
At your leisure, sir. If you're good, then